Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 10th. So students, in today's video we will start reading with our English textbook, okay, and the name of the book is First Flight, okay, and we will start reading with our chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is A Letter to God, okay, and this chapter it is written by Mr. G.L. Fuentes. So he is the writer, or we can say he is the author of this chapter, this story, okay. So students, the title of the story is A Letter to God, okay. So after reading the title, a very obvious question must be there in your mind that is it possible to write a letter to God, okay, God who is supposed to be everywhere all around us, right, but can we communicate to God through letters, okay, and who is this person who actually wrote one letter to God, और जो वो लेटर है क्या वो एक्चुअल में गॉड तक पहुंच पाता है, और जो गॉड है, राइट, सो विल ही रिप्लाई टू दैट लेटर, ओके. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस एंड वी विल गेट द आंसर्स व्हेन वी रीड द स्टोरी, ओके. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग द स्टोरी. Before you read, so before starting reading the story, let's get some idea about the background of the story, okay. They say faith can move mountains, okay. So it is a very famous saying that faith can move mountains, okay. So what it means? It means that if we have very firm faith in something, right, so because of the power of that faith we can do any task, okay, जिसको हमें लगता है कि जो बहुत ही impossible है, बहुत ही difficult है, but we can perform that task with the power of our firm faith, okay. But what should we put our faith in? But the question is that we should have faith, that's okay, but the question is that what should we put our faith in, okay. This is the question this story delicately poses, okay. So we will get the answer of this question when we will continue the story, okay. Lancho is the farmer who writes a letter to God when his crops are ruined, asking for 100 pesos, okay. So our protagonist of the story is Lancho. Protagonist means we can say the main character, the lead character, or we can say the hero of the story, right. So he is the the most important character from our story. The name of the character is Lancho, okay, and he is a farmer, right, and he is the person who actually wrote one letter to God, okay. And what was the reason? Why did he write letter to God? So the reason was that when his crops are ruined, okay, so he was a farmer, so उसके पास वो क्रॉप्स होती थी, वो फील्ड्स में काम करता था, बट क्या होता है उसकी जो क्रॉप्स होती हैं वो सब रुइन हो जाती हैं, ओके. सो दैट टाइम ही रोट वन लेटर टू गॉड एंड इन दैट लेटर ही आस्क्ड फॉर 100 pesos, okay. So pesos is a currency in many Latin American countries, okay. So because उसकी जो सारी क्रॉप्स हैं वो बिल्कुल ruined हो जाती हैं, so he wrote one letter to God and he asked for some support, some help, okay, and he asked for 100 pesos, okay. Does Lancho's letter reach God? Does God send him the money? Okay, so Lancho wrote one letter to God, that's okay. But now the questions are that does Lancho's letter actually reach to God, and does God send him the money? Okay, so these are the important questions. Think what your answers to these questions would be and guess how the story continues before you begin to read it. Okay, so we can guess the answer. हमें क्या लगता है कि क्या एक्चुअल में लेटर पहुंचता है, और अगर पहुंच जाता है सो गॉड क्या रिप्लाई करते हैं, ओके. सो व्हाट इज आवर आंसर? हम वो आंसर अपना गेस कर सकते हैं, और एक्चुअल आंसर स्टोरी में क्या है वी विल गेट द आंसर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग द स्टोरी. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill, okay. So in the beginning of the story the writer is saying that there was one valley, and in that entire valley there was only single house, there was only one house, okay, and that house was set on the crest of a low hill, okay. So what is crest? Crest means the top of a mountain or hill, okay. So here we can see it is a low hill, okay, and its top it is known as crest, okay. So ये जो घर था ये कहाँ था? It was on the top of this low hill, clear. From this height one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest, okay. अब ये जो घर था that was on the top of the low hill, right. So because of that height one could see the river, okay. वो जो valley थी, in that valley there was one river, okay. So because of that height it was very easy easy to see the river and all other things, okay, and one was able to see the field of ripe corn, okay, the field that was dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest, okay. So जो लैंचो जो फार्मर है, ये उसका घर है, राइट, और वो अपने फार्म्स में क्या ग्रो करता था, वो कॉर्न ग्रो करता था, ओके. एंड इन दिस पिक्चर वी कैन से दिस इज द फील्ड ऑफ राइप कॉर्न, ओके. सो राइप कॉर्न फील्ड्स दे लुक लाइक दिस ओनली, ओके. सो लैंचो इज अ फार्मर एंड ही वाज ग्रोइंग कॉर्न इन हिज फील्ड्स, ओके. और जो उसके फील्ड थे, ओके, दैट वर डॉटेड विद द फ्लावर्स, ओके. वो जो फ्लावर्स अगर कॉर्न में आ जाते हैं, सो दे ऑलवेज प्रॉमिस्ड अ वेरी गुड हार्वेस्ट, ओके. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower, okay. So now Lancho, his fields were totally ready, okay. So now only one thing was needed, and what was that? It was a downpour or at least a shower, okay. So what is downpour? Downpour means a very heavy fall of rain, okay. And what is shower? Shower means a very mild rain, okay. So अब जो Lancho था, he was hoping for a very good harvest this year, and only one thing was needed. And what was it? It was a rain, or we can say very good rain, or at least some rain, okay. Throughout the morning, Lancho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast, okay. So Lancho, he was so eagerly, or we can say so deliberately, he was waiting for the rain, okay. And this was the reason that throughout the morning he was doing nothing, okay, and he was just hoping for rain, okay. And Lancho was the person who knew his fields intimately. Intimately means closely, okay. So उसके जो फील्ड्स है, उन फील्ड्स को वो बहुत ही क्लोजली, बहुत अच्छे से अपने फील्ड्स के बारे में वो सब कुछ जानता था. और वो मॉर्निंग से वो कुछ नहीं कर रहा था, बट ही वॉज जस्ट लुकिंग एट द स्काई टूवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ ईस्ट, ओके. सो दिस वॉज द डायरेक्शन जहाँ से उसको एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी कि वहाँ से जल्दी ही बिग ब्लैक क्लाउड्स आएंगे और फिर वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी रेन हो जाएगी, ओके. सो ही वॉज वेटिंग वेरी गर्ली फॉर अ वेरी गुड रेन, बिकॉज रेन, और वी कैन से वाटर वॉज वेरी मच नीडेड फॉर हिज क्रॉप्स, ओके. Now we are really going to get some water woman, okay. So finally Lancho, he is saying to woman, who is this woman? This is Lancho's wife, okay. So Lancho, he is saying to his wife that very soon we will get some good water, or very soon we will get some good rain, okay. The woman who was preparing supper replied, "Yes, God willing." Okay, so now Lancho's wife, और जो Lancho की wife थी, वो क्या कर रही थी? She was preparing supper. Supper means evening meal. Okay, so she was preparing evening meal for the family, and then she replied that yes, if God wishes so. Okay, अगर God ऐसा चाहते हैं कि अच्छी बारिश हो, हमें अच्छा पानी मिले अपनी फसल के लिए, अपने crops के लिए, then definitely we will have a very good rain. Okay, the older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all, "Come for dinner." Okay, so in that house, Lancho, his wife, they were living with their kids. Okay, so Lancho, he was having some kids, और जो older boys थे, okay, they were working in the field. Okay, so they used to help their father Lancho in the field. So they were working in the field while the smaller ones, okay, so what they were doing, they were playing near the house, okay. And finally, when the supper was ready, when the dinner was ready, then Lancho's wife, or we can say the mother, she called to all the kids, and what did she say? She said, "Come for dinner, dinner is ready." Okay. It was during the meal that, just as Lancho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. Okay, so now everyone is having the dinner, everyone was enjoying the dinner. Then suddenly what happened? Just as Lancho has predicted. What is predicted? Predict means to say something that will happen in future. Okay, it means अगर हम फ्यूचर में होने वाली किसी बात को assume कर लेते हैं, right, it means हम उसको predict कर रहे हैं. Okay, so what was Lancho's prediction? लैंचो ने अभी थोड़ी देर टाइम पहले क्या प्रिडिक्ट किया था कि बहुत जल्दी अच्छी बारिश होगी, ओके. और एक्चुअल में बिल्कुल वैसा होता है जैसा लैंचो प्रिडिक्ट करता है. सो लैंचो की प्रिडिक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग जल्दी ही वहाँ पे क्या होता है, बारिश होनी स्टार्ट हो जाती है, ओके. एंड बिग ड्रॉप्स ऑफ रेन दे बिगेन टू फॉल, ओके, जस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू लैंचोज प्रिडिक्शन, ओके. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching, okay, and from the very direction जहाँ से लेंचो जो था वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था, that was north east, okay. So उसी डायरेक्शन से क्या होता है, big black clouds, okay, that were looking like mountains of clouds, they could be seen approaching. Approach means to come nearer, okay. So जो डायरेक्शन है नॉर्थ ईस्ट की, वहाँ से यू नो बहुत बड़े बड़े ब्लैक कलर के जो क्लाउड्स थे, they were coming nearer and nearer, okay. The air was fresh and sweet, okay. So now because it was raining, so the air, it was very fresh, it was very sweet, okay. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body, and when he returned, he exclaimed, okay. So now the man, who is the man here, it is Lancho, okay. So now finally when it was raining, then obviously Lancho, he was very happy because, right, because he was really very you know eagerly he was waiting for the rain, he was waiting for some good water for his crops, okay. So now finally when it was raining, so he was very happy, okay, and he went out to, okay, and why, for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body, okay. So what is pleasure? Pleasure means happiness, or we can say satisfaction, or a kind of enjoyment, okay. So finally when it was raining, so he was really very happy, okay, and he went out. Why? Because he wanted to have the feeling of rain on his body, right. वो भी उस रेन ड्रॉप्स में, उस रेन वाटर में यू नो अपनी बॉडी पे उस रेन वाटर को फील करना चाहता था, उस इंजॉयमेंट को, उस सेटिस्फेक्शन को वो फील करना चाहता था, राइट. दैट्स व्हाई ही वेंट आउट फ्रॉम द हाउस, ओके. एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन ही रिटर्न, ही exclaimed, okay. So what did he say? He said, these aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins, okay. So Lancho, he was so happy that he said that, you know, they are not only raindrops that are falling from the sky, but they are actually new coins, okay. So Lancho, he is comparing raindrops to new coins, okay. So why? So next he is explaining, and he said the big drops are 10 cent pieces and the little ones are 5s, okay. So he is doing one comparison, and he is comparing raindrops to, you know, new coins, okay. And he is saying that, you know, big drops are like 10 cent pieces and the small drops are like 5 cent pieces, okay. So here we can see these are big drops, okay. So जो 10 cent का piece होता है, that is bigger in size, right, और जो small drop है, that is 5 cent pieces, okay. So he is so happy, and why he is comparing this thing, you know, raindrops to sand? Why? Because if he is having good water, if he is having good rain, then definitely उसके जो crops हैं, right, वो भी बहुत अच्छी होंगी. He is going to have a very good harvest, और अगर crops अच्छी है, then definitely he will earn a very good money, okay. So that's why उसके लिए जो वो rain drops हैं, वो actual में क्या है, they are just like new coins, okay. Because अगर अच्छी बारिश हो रही है, अच्छा पानी जो है वो, you know, fields में आ रहा है, then definitely he will have a very good harvest and he will earn a very good money, okay. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain, okay. So now he is very much happy, he is having the feeling of satisfaction, okay. And now he was regard means to think, okay. So now he was thinking about the field of ripe corn, okay, with its flowers that was draped in a curtain of rain, okay. Because अब बारिश हो रही थी, so उसके जो field थे ripe corn के, right, now they are draped means they are covered with a curtain, okay. And what was this curtain? This curtain was of rain, okay. So now he was thinking about his fields. वो बहुत happy है, बहुत, you know, satisfaction feel कर रहा है. A feeling of enjoyment is there in his mind, because उसको लग रहा है कि finally, you know, बारिश हो रही है, बहुत अच्छा पानी जो है वो fields में आ जाएगा, तो इस बार harvest बहुत अच्छी होगी, जो crops है वो बहुत अच्छी होंगी, and he will have a very good money, okay. So he is very much happy, and now he is thinking about his fields, the field that are actually covered with the curtain of rain, okay. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstones began to fall, okay. So till now Lancho, he is very much happy, but his happiness doesn't long last. Why? Because suddenly there was one twist, okay. And what was that? Suddenly a strong wind began to blow, okay, and you know, along with the rain, there were very large hailstones began to fall, okay. So suddenly जो weather है वो change हो जाता है, अभी तक बारिश हो रही थी, बहुत अच्छी बारिश हो रही थी, बट सडनली देयर वाज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड, ओके, एंड नाउ क्या होता है, हेल स्टोन्स बिगेन टू फॉल, ओके. सो व्हाट आर हेल स्टोन्स? इन दिस पिक्चर वी कैन सी दीज आर हेल स्टोन्स, ओके. जो वाइट कलर के स्नो पीसेज होते हैं, आइस पीसेज होते हैं, दे आर नोन एज हेल स्टोन्स, ओके. सो नाउ द वेदर इट was changed and now it was hailstones that were falling from the sky, okay. And we all know that hailstones are not at all good for the crops, for the harvest, for the plants, okay. These truly did resemble new silver coins, okay. So now the writer is saying that finally when hailstones were there in the field, so जो hailstones थे वो कैसे लग रहे थे? They were resembling like new silver coins, okay. The boys, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls, okay. So now because there were hailstones that were falling from the sky, so the boys, the kids of Lanchos, they were so excited, right. हम भी जब hailstones देखते हैं so हम भी बहुत excited हो जाते हैं. We also want to collect all the hailstones, right. So जो boys थे, जो kids थे, they were also so happy, they were so excited and they just want to expose themselves to the rain, okay. What is expose? Expose means to have the real feeling or the real experience, okay. So the boys, the kids, they wanted to have the real experience of the hailstones, so they ran out, okay. Why? To collect the frozen pearls, okay. So the hailstones, they are regarded as frozen pearls, okay. Why? Because they are frozen, they are the pieces of ice and they are looking like pearls, okay. It's really getting bad now, exclaimed the man, okay. So the boys, the kids, they were so happy, they were so excited, but Lancho, he is obviously not at all happy, right, because he knew that those hailstones are not at all good for his crops, okay. So he is very much worried, okay, and now he is saying that it's really getting bad now, okay. I hope it passes quickly, okay. So now Lancho, he was praying for only one thing, and what was that? He was wishing that ये जो hailstones जो आ रहे हैं ये जल्दी ही पास हो जाए, ये जल्दी ही बंद हो जाए. It did not pass quickly, but actual में ऐसा होता नहीं है, और वो जो hailstorm आया था वहाँ पे जो hailstones गिर रहे थे वो जल्दी ही बंद नहीं होते हैं, okay. For an hour, the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley, okay. So जल्दी ही वो hailstorm बंद नहीं होता है. It continued to fall for almost an hour, okay. So an hour तक hailstorm वहाँ पे आ रहा था. So now hails were everywhere, can be seen on the house, in the garden, on the hillside or in the cornfield. Everywhere there were only hailstones that could be seen, okay. The field was white as if covered with salt, okay. So इतने देर तक hailstones वहाँ पे गिर रहे थे. So now the field, it was looking entirely white, okay, as if it is covered with salt, okay. So this picture we can see जब hailstones गिर जाते हैं बहुत टाइम तक, उसके बाद जो fields होते हैं वो कैसे लगते हैं? They looked just like white, okay, as if they are covered with salt, okay. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed, okay. अब जो hailstorm था इसने इतना ज़्यादा destruction किया था कि जितने भी plants थे, जितने भी trees थे वो सभी completely damaged हो चुके थे, right. And not a single leaf was there that was remaining on the trees, okay. और जो corn field था that was also totally destroyed, okay. Destroy means damaged or we can say ruin, okay. So Lancho का जो corn field था that was ready, okay. लेकिन अब क्या हो गया था? After that hailstorm, the entire field was completely destroyed, okay. The flowers were gone from the plants, okay. और जो hailstorm था उसकी वजह से इतना ज़्यादा destruction हुआ था कि जो flowers थे अब तक वो flowers भी अब वहाँ से हट चुके थे, टूट चुके थे. Lancho's soul was filled with sadness, okay. So obviously Lancho, he was very much worried, he was very much sad, okay. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his son, okay. And finally after an hour, when the storm had passed, okay, then he went out to his field and then he stood in the middle of the field, okay, and then he said to his sons, okay. So what did he say? He said a plague of locusts would have left more than this, okay. So the destruction tha that was too much that Lancho, he said that a plague plague of locust would have left more than this, right? So वो कह रहा है कि अगर वहाँ पे a plague of locust भी आता, okay? So what is locust? Locust is a kind of insect, right? और in this picture we can see this is a plague of locust, okay? So ये जहाँ कहीं भी जाते हैं, जहाँ भी vegetation पे, greenery पे जाते हैं, so they destroy the entire vegetation, the entire plants, okay? So लैंचो कह रहा है कि अगर यहाँ पे पूरा का पूरा locust का group आता, right? So वो भी इतना destruction नहीं करता जितना destruction इस hailstorm ने किया है, right? So now we can imagine the amount of destruction, okay, that Lancho is saying कि जो plague of locust है, right, that could not have done that much of destruction that was caused by that hailstorm, okay. The hail has left nothing, okay. So definitely destruction बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ था, जो cornfield थे, right, वो completely destroyed हो चुके थे, okay. This year we will have no corn. That night was a sorrowful one, okay. So definitely the entire family, Lancho, his wife, the kids, they all were so sad, they were so all worried, okay. And now they were discussing the things, okay. So that night was really a very sorrowful one for the family, and now they were discussing that this year they will not have anything to eat, right, because जो cornfield है, right, वो completely destroy हो चुके हैं. So definitely there will be no corn, okay. All our work for nothing, okay. So now they are discussing that for the entire year they were working so hard in the field, right, but एक hailstorm की वजह से जो उनका hard work है, जो उनका labor उन्होंने fields में किया था, right, वो सब कुछ destroy हो चुका था, okay. There is no one who can help us, okay. And now they were discussing that who will help them now, because there is no one who can help the family in that situation. We will all go hungry this year, okay. So now because there is no corn, there is no grain, okay. So definitely the family, it was discussing that this year they will go hungry because they have nothing to eat, okay. But in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God, okay. So definitely the family, the entire family, they were all very sad, they were all very worried, okay. But still in their heart there was one hope, there was one single hope, okay. और कौन सी family के heart में hope थी? The family जो उस घर में रहती थी solitary house में, okay. Solitary means single or only, okay. So we have read in the beginning of the chapter that Lancho's house was the only one in that entire valley, right. So his house was the solitary one. So वहाँ पे जो family रहती थी, Lancho की family, so उन सभी के hearts में now there was only one hope, okay. And what was that hope? It was help from God, okay. So उनको लग रहा था that now no one is able to help them, only God can help them, okay. Don't be so upset even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger, okay. So finally when this hope was there in their hearts, so अब वो क्या बातें करते हैं? Now some kind of positivity is there in their mind, and now they were thinking that we should not be so upset. Even ये जो loss है, it was a very great loss. बहुत ज़्यादा loss हुआ है. जो crops हैं, जो harvest है, right, वो completely destroyed हो चुके हैं, and the family is not having anything to eat, right. But still they were having some kind of positivity, and they were thinking that we should not be so upset. Why? Because always remember, no one dies of hunger, okay. That's what they say, no one dies of hunger, right. Because सब यही कहते हैं कि no one dies of hunger because God is there, and God is there to help each and everyone, and God can never let anyone die just because of hunger, okay. God ने हम सबको create किया है, so हम सबके फूड का जो अरेंजमेंट है वो गॉड अपने आप करते हैं, एंड नो वन डाइज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हंगर, ओके. सब लंचों को लगता है कि उनका जो बैड वेदर की वजह से जो क्रॉप्स जो है वो कम्प्लीटली डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुकी हैं, बट नाउ गॉड इज देयर टू हेल्प द फैमिली, एंड गॉड विल हेल्प द फैमिली, ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लंचो इज हैविंग दिस फर्म फेथ, दिस फर्म डिटर्मिनेशन इन हिज हार्ट दैट गॉड इज देयर टू हेल्प द फैमिली, ओके. बट उसका जो फेथ है गॉड पे, क्या ये फेथ पूरा हो पाता है? वी विल come to know when we will continue the chapter. So see you in the next video. Thank you.